Hello to all car lovers, welcome to Autodoc Show. Today we'll speak about the Nissan Leaf, a viable and practical electric car. The Nissan Leaf is a compact 5-door electric hatchback produced by Nissan and launched in Japan and in the United States in December 2010. One of the biggest advantages of electric vehicles is that they produce almost no harmful emissions. That's why they become so popular around the world. It is worth mentioning that the Nissan Leaf won the 2010 Green Car Vision Award. This car features an Eco mode. To boost the range, a driver can select the Eco setting on the dashboard instead of the Drive setting. In the 2011 and 12 version of the Leaf, this increases the accelerator pedal resistance, so the car speeds up a bit more slowly. It also raises the amount of energy regenerated when slowing down or braking. Efficient electric powertrain. The Leaf is generally cheaper to operate compared to traditional gasoline and hybrid cars. Besides, driving a car that doesn't harm the environment will make your daily commute even more pleasant. Thanks for watching this episode. Have a nice day. Please tell us in the comments if you liked this video and whether you're interested in this kind of format.